We've taken a good look at Eulerian circuits, and now we're going to look at something similar called Hamiltonian cycles. So in this video, we're going to define Hamiltonian cycles and then show you how an example works. So recall with Eulerian circuits, if we have a graph, an Eulerian circuit is a circuit that traverses every edge. And traverses just means travels along every edge. So it's a closed walk, which means it begins and ends at the same vertex, and it goes over every single edge exactly one time. Now, if you replace circuit with cycle and edges with vertices, you get what's called Hamiltonian cycles. And so that's defined as, well, let G be a graph. A Hamiltonian cycle is a cycle that includes every vertex in the graph G. So in other words, it's a walk that begins and ends at the same vertex, visits every other vertex exactly once, not more than once, because otherwise it wouldn't be a cycle, except for the first/last vertex, which is visited twice. It's the same vertex. So here's an example graph that we have, and we're going to look for a Hamiltonian cycle. And here's what the Hamiltonian cycle is if I just write the sequence of vertices, A, B, F, G, C, D, E, A. But, well, that's not much to look at. Let's see what it looks like on the graph. So we're going to start at A. See, I turned that one blue. Then we're going to travel from A to B. I get a red edge from A to the next blue vertex B. And then we'll keep going. The next one, we go down to F, then over to G, up to C, down to D, down to E, and then back to A, which I turned yellow to indicate we hit that vertex twice. So that gives us a Hamiltonian cycle. I do want to note that it is possible to have more than one Hamiltonian cycle in a graph. And in fact, this graph has more than one. Here's another one. A, F, C, B, G, D, E, A. You can see the first, 4 vertices are a little bit different than last time. So this time we start at A, but instead of going up to B, you go down to F, then up over to C, back to B, down to G, over to D, then to E, and then back to A. So 2 examples of Hamiltonian cycles on the same graph. So now it looks like you're ready to work on the activities for Hamiltonian cycles, and that is on the PDF file included with this video.